Hello and welcome to another video. This time we are on medium level questions for quadratic equation having rational exponents. Find the number, the first question says find the number of real solutions for this. So I'm just going to put that on my calculator and see how many real solutions I get. Real means that I shouldn't get imaginary numbers. So this one is a real number. I can show you this in decimals and that should make it clear. That is also a real number. I can show you this in decimals. So it has two real solutions. Okay, then it says two consecutive multiples of 4 have a product of 320. Find the sum of the two numbers. Okay, so multiples of 4, if the first multiple of 4 is x, then the other multiple of 4 should be x plus 4 if they have a product of 320. So that means x squared plus 4x minus 320. So let's see what the numbers should be. Let's go on our calculator and try to solve this quadratic. So I get 16 and minus 20. So of course, it says positive multiples. So I'm going to take 16 and 20 as the consecutive multiples. If I add them up, I get 36. It says find the sum of the two numbers. So that's 36. Question number 2. Just simply find the solutions. I'm just going to do that on my calculator. Nothing unusual about it. Saying 8 and 2. Yep. 2 should be the correct answer because it says greater than 2. Greater than 0. Okay, again, finding the number of real roots. One, I can just solve these on my calculator, so nothing challenging about it. Enter the number of real roots. So two real roots. Again, something I can do on my calculator. Very easy questions because you can do all of these on a calculator. Minus 1 and minus 7 over 2. So C. Let's see what the next medium level questions have for us. It says a rectangle has a perimeter of 36 and an area of 80. So 2L plus W equals to 36 and L into W gives me 80. So L plus W should give me 18. What is the difference between the length and width? So I'm asking you to find L minus W. Okay, I can just solve these simultaneously. You can say that W equals to 18 minus L. So I get 18L minus L square minus 80 equals to 0. That's a quadratic equation for me to solve. Minus 1, 18 and minus 18. I get L as 10 or L as 8. If L is 10, W should be 8. And if L is 8, W should be 10. What is the difference? The difference is 2 centimeters between them. Okay, similar to the previous one, two consecutive positive numbers. Okay, so there's just consecutive positive numbers have a product of 210. Okay, so x squared plus x minus 210. 14 and minus 15. So those should be 14 and 15. The numbers should be 14 and 15. What is the sum of these numbers? It's 29. Solve the quadratic equation with these and calculate the product of roots. Product of roots is simple. I don't even need to solve this. Product of roots is C over A. C over A. So 5. This is a quadratic equation in M. Shouldn't matter really. Minus 2 and 5. 1 plus 2i. Now you see the I is, represents a complex number. That's something that's no longer part of your syllabus. But since it's coming up in the questions, you should be able to do them. Okay, so this one. Now remember that these are what we call disguised quadratic equations. They're not quadratic per se. Why are they disguised? Because let's say if I take a substitution and call u equals to x squared, this changes to u squared, this changes to u, and this changes to 2. So whatever answers you get from solving your quadratic, those will be answers for u. And let me see if I've done that correctly. Okay, those will be answers for u. Okay, and now since I see they're complex roots, they're no longer real roots, so there are no real roots of this equation. Okay, whenever I solve for u and consequently for x squared, there are no solutions. So there are zero real solutions. I think that should bring me to the end of the medium questions. The last one was challenging. Make sure that you understand that. I'll be back with some more hard questions in the next video. Thank you for watching.